Hi, I'm Darren Ferreter with Model Railroad Dreams. I'm from eastern Iowa. I'm here this week working at the Durham Museum on the O-scale layout that is in front of us. This layout is 100 feet by about 25 feet. It's been here for several years, and it's time for a little bit of help. It's not been neglected, but it's just wearing out. These trains run several hundred miles each year. Imagine a train being put on in Omaha and literally running all the way to Des Moines or further. And so they need regular maintenance, lubrication, things like that. We're spending a lot of time fixing scenery up that's been damaged over the years of just use. So this is going to be a really nice week to be around, and looking forward to seeing people. If you come through, please say hello. I'm not a monkey in a cage, and love to talk to you about trains. Thanks. So because the model railroad is built for children's height, to enter the layout you have to crawl underneath here like you're getting under an automobile.